In this video, we're reviewing the Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 and seeing if it's worth buying in 2025. The L1 is designed as a compact, budget-friendly projector that still delivers some premium features. Right out of the box, the design is sleek and minimal, easy to place in a living room, bedroom, or even carry around. It supports full HD resolution, and while it's not true 4 kelvins, the picture quality is sharp enough for movies, gaming, and streaming. Colors are vibrant and contrast is solid, especially in darker rooms. Brightness is decent for its size, but like most projectors in this price range, it struggles a bit in well-lit spaces. On the audio side, the built-in speakers are surprisingly clear, though for the best experience you'll want to pair it with external speakers or a soundbar. The real highlight is the smart features it runs on Android television, so you get access to apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime without needing extra devices. Connectivity is smooth with HDMI, USB, and wireless casting options. The main downsides are limited brightness for daytime use and fan noise that can be noticeable in quiet scenes. Overall, the Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 gives you great value, strong smart features, and solid performance for the price. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.